welcome to Jewel Talks. Today I made a booklet of birds. Today I am going to show how to write the specialities of birds and how to make booklet of birds. First, penguin, aquatic flightless birds, expert divers. Peacock, a mesmerizing bird, national bird of India. Eagle, symbol of freedom and peace. Pigeon, one of the most intelligent birds on the planet. Crow, an intelligent bird with strong memory. Sparrow, a chirping and singing bird, symbol of loyalty in Japan. Parrot, a super social bird, a bird capable of mimicking human speech. Kiwi, a unique and curious bird, flightless birds of New Zealand. Vulture, a bird with keen eyesight and strong sense of smell. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.